Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, but today I'm coming at you with a contact lens review. I was very generously contacted by this awesome contact lens company by the name of ICOICE, and they sent me a package to show you guys a few contact lenses that they have available on their site. So now I'm just showing off what's in the box. I got 4 packages of these really cute kitty ear contact lens cases. Also in the box was this step-by-step guide on how to insert and remove those contact lenses safely and correctly. Here we have 2 packages, one of them with this cute little duck on them, and it is actually a case for a little pair of tweezers and a little applicator to help apply those contact lenses super easily. And now for the stars of the show, here are the 4 pairs of contact lenses they sent me, and I'm going to be doing a quick makeup look just to show you guys what these contacts look like in action. First step of the tutorial is going to be getting rid of my eyebrows with a glue stick and some loose powder. Don't forget to brush away all the excess powder before going in with your foundation. Speaking of foundation, we're going to find the least stinky one you can find, apply that all over your face, and blend it out with a fluffy brush. Now I'm going to be going in with a white cream makeup, and I'm going to be applying that to all of the high points of the face. And using the same fluffy brush I used to blend out the foundation, I'm going to blend it in. After setting your face with some more loose powder, I'm going to go in with a dark gray shade and start contouring my face. Going in and contouring my cheekbones, jawline, my temples, and nose. Once you're done with your contouring, I'm going in with a dark red shade and a small blending brush, and I'm going around my eye sockets, parts of my nose, and I'm going to be adding a few details around my mouth, like some smile lines, and the little details that are going to be around the open parts of my smile. Now I'm going in with a dark maroony brown shade and a small eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to be placing that in the deepest parts of my eye socket, my nose, and continuing to add some more depth and shading to the parts of the smile. Going in with a damp cloth, I'm going to be cleaning off some of the foundation inside of my mouth, and I'm going in with a white face paint and a flat round brush, making some teeth details inside of the mouth. Now we're going in with some black face paint and a detail brush and filling in the eye sockets. Now with that same black face paint and detail brush, I'm going in and adding some lines in between the teeth just to show that there's more definition in between each tooth. Going in with that same black face paint and going to roughly outline the sides of the mouth just because I want it to look a little bit more jagged. Fill in that center negative space with some black face paint. Now I'm going in with a few different shades of red face paint and a detail brush and filling in the more gummy areas of the mouth, making sure to focus the darker colors towards the edges where we made it more jagged. Going in with that same detail brush and red face paint, we're going to be adding some blood splatter to certain portions of my face. When doing blood splatter, it's always best for it to look as organic as possible, and one of the best ways I found to do that is adding some paint to the face and dabbing it out with your fingertip. After doing the blood splatter on my face, I decided that my face needed a tiny bit more dimension, so I went back in with that dark red eyeshadow and I sporadically placed that around my eyes, nose, and mouth, same places as I put it before, just in a little bit more dabby motions. I also went in with a darker red eyeshadow around my eyes to deepen my eye sockets. I also decided to go in with some purple and yellow to give it more of a bruise effect. Here is the final look, and now without further ado, we are going to be trying on each pair of these beautiful contact lenses. First off, I would like to point out that each pair of contact lenses were incredibly soft and comfortable to wear. I was in and out of these lenses all night when I was shooting the close-up shots and taking the photos of each of these contact lenses, so I can confidently say that none of these lenses irritated my eyes. I would also point out that this would be a great first-time use for anybody that is new to contact lenses. And if you want something to just amp up your Halloween costume and make it that much spookier, I think these lenses would be perfect for you. Don't forget to go down below in the description and check that out because I have a discount code with this awesome website, so make sure to pick some up before the Halloween season rolls around. I also just want to thank ICOICE one more time for sending me these beautiful contact lenses. I'm super excited to use them for more looks in the future. I really hope this video was informative to you guys, and I hope you guys are excited for more looks to come. But until then, see you in the next one, guys. Bye!